Hello everyone, welcome back to my course Aerospace Engineering, Basics of Aviation Engines. In this video, I will walk you through the structure of this course. I would also greatly appreciate your feedback to help improve the course and make it even more useful for you. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below or reach out to me via the email provided in my profile. Now, let's take a look at the structure of this course. Why do we need to study this topic? First of all, we need to understand why this topic is relevant and why studying aviation engines is important. You may ask why we need to learn about different types of aviation engines, their classifications, their working principles, and where they are used. Understanding the reasons behind studying this subject will help you see its value and how it can benefit you in the future. Aviation engines are constantly developing and improving. Every day, engineers and manufacturers work on making engines more efficient, powerful, reliable, and environmentally friendly. As this development continues, the complexity of aviation engines increases, and so does their cost. With technological progress, the prices of aircraft engines continue to rise, making them one of the most valuable and critical components of an aircraft. The aircraft engine market is also growing every year. It is expected to reach $158 billion in 2027, and this number is projected to increase even further in the future. This growth shows how important aviation engines are to the global aviation industry and how many opportunities exist in this field. By understanding different engine types and their working principles, you can become part of this development process. With enough knowledge and experience, you may even contribute to the modernization of aviation engines and leave your mark in aviation history. If you are a student in the aviation field or someone who wants to gain theoretical knowledge about the basics of aviation engines and how they work, this course is a perfect choice for you. It is designed to give you a strong foundation and help you clearly understand complex concepts in a simple and structured way. This course is also very useful if English is a foreign language for you. If you plan to work in an English-speaking or English-demanding environment, you will gain valuable technical vocabulary related to aviation engines. Even if you already have some knowledge of this subject, the course will help you revise, strengthen, and refresh that knowledge so it stays clear and memorable over time. How can we study and remember so much information? There are many different types of aviation engines, and each of them has its own working principle. Because of this variety, studying aviation engines can seem complicated at first. To make the learning process easier and more understandable, I have divided the topic into several main units and subsections. We will go step by step through all the main types of aviation engines, studying them in a logical and structured order. Instead of learning everything at once, we will focus on one concept at a time. We will also study the individual parts of engines separately, so you can clearly understand the function and purpose of each component before seeing how they work together as a complete system. This approach will help you build strong and clear knowledge, leading to the best and highest quality learning results. Now, let us take a look at the units we are going to study in this course. Here's an overview of the Unit 1, Fundamentals of Aviation Engines. Lesson 1, Short History of Aviation. Lesson 2, Thrust, Classification of Aviation Engines. Lesson 3, Piston Engines and their Classifications. Lesson 4, Aerospace Engines and their Classifications. Here's an overview of the Unit 2 Aerospace Engines. Lesson 1 Turbojet Engines. Lesson 2 Turbofan Engines. Lesson 3 Turboprop Engines. Lesson 4 Turboshaft Engines. Lesson 5 Ramjet and Scramjet Engines. Here's an overview of the Unit 3 Aerospace Engines parts. Lesson 1 Engine Inlets and their classifications. Lesson 2 Engine Compressors and their classifications. Lesson 3 Engine Combustion Chambers and their classifications. Lesson 4 Engine Gas Turbines and their classifications. Lesson 5 Engine Exhaust Nozzles, Afterburners and their classifications. Lesson 6 Reverse Thrust. Unit 4 Summary. In this unit, we will talk about everything we have learned throughout the course. This section is designed to bring all the topics together and help you see the complete picture of aviation engine basics. We will summarize the key concepts and quickly review all the main topics covered in the course. This repetition will help you consolidate both your existing knowledge and the new material you have learned. By the end of this unit, your understanding will be clearer, stronger, and more confident, allowing you to retain the information and apply it more effectively in the future. I will also include different quizzes at the end of each unit. These quizzes are designed to help you check your understanding, improve your knowledge, and consolidate what you have learned in each section. Regular self-testing is an important part of the learning process and will help you remember the material more effectively. At the end of the course, you will complete a final test that summarizes all the main topics covered. This test will allow you to clearly see how much you have learned and which sections may still be challenging for you. If you find that you struggle with certain questions, you can always return to the related unit and review the material again at your own pace. If there are any sections that you still do not understand, feel free to ask questions in the comment section or contact me directly through my email. I will respond as soon as possible and help you clarify any difficulties. The final test will consist of 25 questions based on the course content, so make sure to study carefully, take notes, and prepare well. Good luck and enjoy your learning journey. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching. I hope you now have a clearer idea of what we are going to study in this course and feel prepared to begin the learning process. Understanding the course structure and objectives will help you stay focused and motivated as we move forward. I am looking forward to receiving your feedback about this course, as your opinions and suggestions are very important for improving the learning experience. Please remember that you can always contact me if you do not understand any topic or need additional explanation. If you want to study more effectively, you also have the option to arrange a consultation with me, either about this course specifically or about aviation in general. I will be happy to support you and help you achieve your learning goals. Let's continue to the next video and see what you will gain by the end of this course. See you in the next video, and goodbye.